We are here at Mahindra of Greensburg. Today we'll be looking at a Max 24 tractor. What we'll be doing is installing the 62-inch snow plow with the underbody kit or subframe. It ties in exactly to the existing loader valve control to give you both hydraulic lift as well as hydraulic angulation.
Alright guys, so here we have our Max 24 and we're going to be installing the 62-inch Subframe Snow Plow. The first step that we're going to start doing is installing the subframe kit itself. To do that, we have already pulled over top of the subframe. You will pull directly over it. And the first step, we want to get this into this cradle, this pin into this cradle right here. All right, so to do that, we're going to start the tractor up and pull straight into it. So the next step, now that we have this connected here, we're going to head to the rear of the tractor and connect the subframe kit to the drawbar. So come on back. Now this will line up nice and easy for you. All you're going to do is pick up on the subframe kit. And there is one pin. So once you get that pin in, you will insert the washer first, and then you have a linch pin. Put that in, snap it down, and you are connected in the rear of the tractor. All right, guys, now that we're back at the front of the tractor, the last step for the subframe kit is this long pin right here. And on your side, it's going to come through right up here. So all you do, slide it in. It should not be difficult. If it's difficult, that means there's pressure on it. Put your linch pin in, snap that down, and your subframe is now connected to the tractor. Next step, I'm going to start the tractor, and we're actually going to use the hydraulics to connect the snow plow itself. If you want to come a little closer here, we're going to try and get this pin right here into this cradle right here. You want it to go up and under, and then lift up right here, and then we'll show you the next step after that. Let me start up the tractor.
Especially when they're freshly painted, it may not go right in. Okay, see there Antonio has it synced right in, just took a second try. Now he has full function of the plow. Last step that we'll do is we'll have Antonio jump off the tractor. Remember to set the brake at the very least. Now we're going to install the final pins that connect the plow to the subframe itself. We'll slide into this collared hole just here. And put our linch pin on the backhand side. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Now, we have full function of our plow. Side to side.
Antonio, why don't you show them how strong that subframe kit is? Why don't you lift the front of the tractor up with the plow?
Rock that axle back and forth. You are completely off the ground.